Yeah, this morning we'll be solving assignment from University of Abuja. As simple as ABC. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and begin to solve this assignment. Somebody sent it to me from University of Abuja. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Then the remaining I will make another video for the remaining one. Is that clear? Okay. Yeah. How can we solve this problem? Look at it. Let's consider number 1. Is that clear? Alright, solution. Question number 1 is integral 1 to 3 to all over 3x dx. Now, these are definite integrals. Why is it definite integral? Because it has limit running. Let's go ahead and begin to calculate this limit. I want to tell you that if we have something of this form, 3x squared, do you know that we can rewrite this in this form? 2 all over 3 times 1 all over x raised to power 2. So if you agree with me, let's proceed. Amen. Let's proceed to look at it together. So this is the same thing as integral 1 to 3. Amen. So 2 all over 3 times 1 all over x raised to power 2 dx. Do you agree with me? Okay. So this is a constant, so we can factor it out of the integral 2 all over 3 integral 1 to 3, then 1 all over x raised to power 2 dx. Since the power, the denominator here, x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2. So what we need to do here is we apply indices. That is, if we have something of this form, this is the simple as a raised to the power of minus 1, true or false. So what if we have something of this nature? This is the simple as a raised to the power of minus 2, true or false. Do you agree with me? Any question? Do you have any question? Any question? No question. So we can proceed, right? Okay. So if you agree with me, it means we can rewrite this in this form so that we'll be able to integrate this function. So this means that this is equals to 2 all over 3 integral 1 to 3 x raised to the power of minus 2 dx. So let's integrate this. So if we integrate it, we're going to have 2 all over 3, amen, open bracket, minus x This is the power of minus 2 plus 1 all over. Okay, let's do it this way. Minus 2 plus 1 at 1 to 3. Are you seeing now? So this implies that this will now be 2 all over 3 open brackets minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 2 of us. So here will now be x raised to minus 1. This is minus 1. So here, well, let's write it this way, minus x. This is plus of 1. Then 1 running towards 3. Do you agree with me? Okay. So now it means if we have x raised to the power minus 1, this is the same as 1 all over x, 2 of us. So if you agree with me, this will now be 2 all over 3 open bracket minus 1 all over x at 1 to 3. This is how you are going to evaluate it. But we have not finished. We are still proceeding. Okay. So now what we need to do here is we use this to multiply this. So if we do that, it means here will now be minus 2 all over 3x at 1 to what? 3. Amen? You agree with me? So this is what we are going to have. So if you agree with me, this limit implies that subtract the lower limit from the upper limit. So anywhere you see x, you write 3 minus. So this is what you are going to do. So here will now be minus 2 all over 3 open bracket. Is the upper limit. Subtract the lower limit from the upper limit, open bracket 3. Already here is minus, open bracket minus 2 all over 3. Anywhere you see x, you write 1, close the bracket. So can you see now? So this is equals to minus 2 all over 3 times 3, 9. Then minus times minus plus all over 2 all over 3 times 1, 3. Can you see now? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Yeah. Do you have any question? No question. Okay. So if there is no question, so it means we'll look for the LCM. So the LCM here, the LCM here is going to be 9, 2 of us. So 9 to 9, 1 times minus 2. What do we have here? Plus, right? Plus 9 to 3, 3 times 2, 6. So you can now see that this is going to give us minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4 all over 9. So this integral now going to give us plus 4 all over 9. So this is how you evaluate integrals of this form. Or is there any mistake that I omitted something? Let's check well. Okay. If you integrate, this is what you are going to have. Then use this to multiply. That is, you have minus 2 all over. Yeah. right, sorry. Minus 2m over 3x. Let's substitute the limit, that is subtract the lower limit from the upper limit. So minus 2m over 3 open brackets, 3 minus minus plus, then 2, yeah. So it means we look for the LCM is 9. So 9 to 9, 1 times minus 2, then plus 9 to 3, right? So 3 times 2, 6. So this is what you are going to have. Is that clear? Any question? Do you have any question? No question? Okay. So now let's proceed further to consider question number 2. Question number 2. Let's consider it. Let us consider question number 2. So I can claim this. Yeah. Okay. Let's proceed further to consider this. Is that clear? This is question number 2. Integral dx all over 1 plus 7x. Okay, yeah. This will take us back to trigonometry integration. So what we need to do, we have to apply commutative law. It means if we can make use of the commutative law, when you are multiplying a dot a, b, sorry, this is the same thing as b dot a, two of us. So if you now have 1 plus 7x, we can rewrite this in this one. This is the same as 7x plus 1. Do you agree with me? So it means this is the same thing as integral dx all over 1 plus 7x is the same thing as integral dx all over 7x plus 1. Do you agree with me? So we can rewrite this integral in this form. Integral dx is equal to all over 7 open bracket x. Oh, is it x squared? Sorry. I think it's x squared. Here is 7x squared. Just correct it. Please try and correct it. 7x squared. Yeah, 7 is 7x squared. So far so good. Plus 1 all over 7. You can see that this is the same thing as this, two of us. By the time you use this 7 to multiply, you get this, multiply, you get this. Okay. So if you agree with me, 1 all over 7 is a constant, we can factor it out. Then the integral will now turn to dx all over x squared plus 1 all over 7. 2 of us is 2. So when you integrate this inside, you are going to have 1 all over 7 dot 1 all over square root of 1 all over 7 Then arctan. Arctan. Arctan means tan inverse, true or false? Tan inverse of x all over square root of 1 all over 7. Is that clear? Yeah. So far so good. So it means your final answer will now be, like here, if you can see what I am saying, if you have something of this form, look at it. When we have 1 all over square root of 1 all over 7, is the same thing as 1 all over square root of 1 all over square root of 7. Now this is the same thing as 1 all over, 1 divide square root of 1 all over square root of 7. And this is the same thing as 1 times, if you convert it, here will now be, now the square root of 7 all over square root of 1. Then this is the same thing as square root of 7. True or false? So here we are going to have square root of 7x. If you can see what I am doing mathematically, both in the spirit and physical, amen. So here we're going to have square root of 7 tan inverse times square root of 7x all over the SN will now be what? 7. So this is how you are going to evaluate this second one. Let me write it up. Second one. This is how you evaluate this second one. So, do you have any question? Look at it very well. If you have any question, just, oh yeah, I want to forget something. Plus a constant, yes. Now when you are integrating, since these are indefinite integrals, we should not forget the constant. So plus the constant. So this is the final answer. Please take note. Do you have any question? Instead of 1, there's no 1 here now. Look at it here. Look at it here. There's no 1. Yeah. Look at it. If you have integral, dx all over 7 open bracket x squared plus 1 all over 7. If you use this to multiply, the integral will now be in this one. 7 times 7 is 7x squared plus 7 times 1 is 7 all over 7. So you can now see that 7 divided 7, you now come back to this true or false. It's going to give you 1. So it's the same thing, the x all over 7x plus 1. So are you saying of factor out 1 all over 7? The reason why we see 1 all over 7, look at it. Look at it here. This is the integral, right? Integral dx all over 7 all over x squared plus 1 all over 7. You know that this is a constant. So this is the same thing as integral 1 all over 7 times the x all over x squared plus 1 all over 7. Do you agree with me? So this 1 all over 7 is a constant. So we have to factor it out. That is why we are saying it in this form. So that we can be able to integrate this inside. Look at it here. And this will lead us to what? Trig identities. Is that clear? Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. So let's consider the third one. This third one. I think this third one. Let's consider it. Okay. Yeah. Let's consider the third one. Third one says integral 0 to what? 3 x raised to the power of 5 plus 3x raised to the power 7 minus 100 x dx. So if we are to integrate this function according to the definition, mathematical definition of integration, if we are to integrate this, it means we are going to have x raised to the power of 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1, two of us, true, right? Then here we are going to have plus 3x raised to the power of 7 plus 1 all over 7 plus 1, two of us. Then here, 100, if you differentiate 100, you have 100x. So here will be minus 100x at 0 to what? At 0 to 3. Are you seeing now? So far, so good. So what you need to do here is as simple as ABC. So this will give us x raised to power 5 plus 1, 6 all over 6, then plus 3x raised to the power 7 plus 1, 3x raised to the power of what? 8 all over 8, then minus 100x at 0 to what? 3. So it means the interval is running from 0 to 3. So at this point, what you need to do here is for you to subtract the lower limit from the upper limit. It's simple as ABC. Is that clear? So I think with your calculator, you are going to do I will substitute it, then you do the remaining one. Is that okay by you? Okay, so far so good. So if there's no question, we proceed. These are assignments from University of Abuja. Somebody chatted me up and sent them to me. And I told the person that I will try my possible best. I was waiting for light, but unfortunately, the light came this late. I have to wake up and assist the person. But I'm not going to do everything. I will continue tomorrow morning, rather in the afternoon. I told you that I'm going to consider 1, 2, and 3. So the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be done tomorrow afternoon by God's grace. So just be content with what you have. Anything you see here, just appreciate it. Is that clear? Okay, so what we need to do here is anywhere we see x, we write what 3. So here will be 3 raised to the power 6 all over 6 plus 3 open bracket 3 raised to the power of 8 all over 8, then minus 100 on brackets 3, then minus the lower limit. The lower limit is what? 0. What do we have here? So okay, let's do it this way. Let's put it in a bracket. X is here 0. 0 raised to the power 6 all over 6, then plus 3 open bracket 0 raised to the power 8 all over 8, then minus 100 times 0. You can see that whole of this is 0, 2 of us. So what we after is this. So I want you to come up with 3 raised to the power 6 means 3 raised to the power 6 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3, 2 of us. So do this and write the answer. I'm waiting for you guys. I need the answer. That problem. What is the answer? Seven to 6, right? What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay. The answer, this is going to give us this. It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 7 to 6 all over 6. Then plus 3 times 3 raised to the power 8 times 3 times 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what should be the answer? I think by my calculator, I got 6,561. 6,561 all over 8. It means 3 into 8 will give us 6,561. Then minus 100 times 3 will give us what? 300, right? But here already all of this is 0, so it is not necessary. So what you will do here, use this to multiply, then look for the LCM of this and this and this. In case you don't know the LCM of this and this is 48, just do 48 like this. Is 48. So 48 to this 8 times this. Then use this one to multiply. So I'm going to stop here. try and copy the ones we have solved. I have solved so far on the board. You go and finish, do this algebra, arithmetic here. At least for you to be in year 1 or year 2, you should know how to do or solve mathematics like this, fractions like this, two of us. What you will do, use this to multiply this. Any answer, just write it here. Then already I've given you the LCM of this is 48. So you find, add this minus whatever you get, then divide it by this thing. That is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please like this video, share, comment, and don't forget, I said tomorrow in the afternoon, by the grace of God, I will come back to finish the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining 5. This one we are going to use integration by parts. This one to use okay, we'll just do normal integration. This is definite integral. This one too is definite integral. Then this one we'll use integration by parts, and this one integration by parts. So I'll take my time to do all these things for you. Thank you and God bless you. Love you guys. Bye.